Good morning. A very good morning all of you. Today I'll continue trigonometry. I'll continue trigonometry. In my previous class yesterday I have explained the angles, trigonometric ratios of specific angles. Trigonometric ratios of specific angles. So yesterday we have calculated the trigonometric ratios of some angles. So they are 0 degrees, 30 degrees and 45 degrees and 60 degrees and 90 degrees. So total 5 degrees. Okay, these 5 degrees yesterday in my previous class I have explained how to find the values. So that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you calculate, if you start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is this is a simple way to remember the values of these angles. So you write 0 to 4 and divide each one by 4, okay, and you take the square root. You take the square root. Whatever the answer is coming, that is sign of that particular angle. 0 by 4 is 0. So sine 0 is 0 degrees. Sine 0 is 0. The value of sine 0 is 0. The value of sine 30, 1 by 4, this is 1 by 2, 1 upon 2. This is sine 30 degrees is equal to half. So now it will get cancelled to 1. So 1 upon square root of 2. This is sine 45. So this is root 3 by 2 is sine 60, and 4 will get cancelled. Square root of 1 is 1. So to remember the values, this is one of the easiest way. Balaji Gaming channel, hi. So this is sine. So sine 0 half. It's very simple. Whenever even in the examination, definitely 1 or 2 problems will be there. You can make this table and get ready instead of writing wrong values. So abhi cos. So cos you just reverse the order. Idhar se shuru karo. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 upon root 2, half and 0. This is a cos. Now tan you divide karo. 0 by 1, 1 by 2, like that you divide it, because sin is sin by cos, tan is sin by cos. So 0 by 1 is 0, 1 upon 2 by root 3 upon 2, 2 denominators will get cancelled. It is equal to 1 upon root 3. Both are equal, 1. Denominators will get 0, 3. Divided by 0, not defined. So this is how you will be getting my dear Balaji Gaming channel, triangles abhi liya hai. You just go to my website and find out all the live classes on triangles. Okay, so please go through my website ravishankar.online. ravishankar.online. Just now, before this chapter only, I have taken triangles. Okay, coordinate geometry also it's over. So please go back, go to my channel. All the videos, live classes are available. Okay, all my live classes are between 20 minutes to 30 minutes. It's not boring, point to point teaching. So these are the values of trigonometric ratios of specific angles. Now remaining things I don't need to put it, because if you want cosecant reciprocal of sine. Reciprocal of sine is 0, reciprocal is not defined. 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2. 1 upon root 2 reciprocal is root 2. Root 2 by root 3. And 1 reciprocal is 1. Okay. So 1. Now secant is very simple. Reverse order में लिख दो. 1, 2 upon root 3 and root 2 and 2 and 0. Get well. So this is what is trigonometric ratios. Cot को कैसा लिखना है? Tan को reverse order में लिखो. You will be getting cot. Otherwise reciprocal of cots ले लो. You will be getting cot values. Okay. So this is what is a method to remember the values of trigonometric ratios of specific angles. Okay. So now let me go to questions of the chapter. 8.2 exercise. I have a NCERT textbook. So 8.2 exercise. 8.2 exercise. Evaluate, first question, evaluate the following. That means you have to solve it. You have to find the values. So there are 5 bits. There are 5 bits and you have to do all the bits. So what I will do? I will do 5th question. 5th question is very looking very big. Okay. So first question, 5th bit. So 5 cos square 60 degrees, 4 secant square 30 degrees, minus tan square 45 degrees, whole divided by sine square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees. Okay, let me check whether I have copied it properly or not. Okay, 5 cos square, 4 secant square, tan square, sine square 30, cos square 30. Yes, I have copied it correctly. So now put the values. I think you must have a table and table देखे values सभी substitute करना है. So then I'll put is equal to, I'll put a by. So 5 is 5 only. Cos square 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos square 60 is whole square. So this is how you have to write. And 4 secant 30. Secant 30 is cos 30. Root 3 by 2. It is 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3 whole square. Tan 45 is 1 whole square. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 whole square. Root 3 by 2 whole square. So this is a very crucial part. If you substitute all the values, say सभी values आपको ज़रूरत है. That is why all those values, trigonometric ratios of those specific angles, you should remember, memorize. Okay. So 5 into 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. It is equal to 5 upon 4. 2 by 3 whole square, 4 by 3. 4 4s are 16 upon 3 and minus 1. 1 by 2 square is 1 upon 4 and it is 3 upon 4. So I will put here only LCM. 4 3s are 12 is the LCM and 3 5s are 15 plus 4 16s are 64 minus 12 by 4 upon 4. So which is equal to 4 upon 4 is 1 and 15 64 is 79 minus 12 79 minus 12 9 minus 2 67. So 67 by 12 which is equal to 16 7 by 12. That is the answer. Okay. So a very easy question. आर्यन, गुड मॉर्निंग. वेरी वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन, बट देखने में बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम जैसा दिखता है. आप इसमें फिक्र करने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. So but very important thing is you should remember those values, all those values you have to remember. So for that you need more practice. If you do more practice, automatically you will get it. Okay, एक दो problems करके आप याद नहीं कर सकते हैं. Okay, so you have to remember, you have to do more problems for practice, right? So let me, I am not doing any other problem in the first question. Second question, choose the correct option. I am using my NCERT book. Okay, same book is there for Andhra Pradesh board also, same book, but book cover page is different, but inside same matter, same question, everything is same. So second question, choose the correct option and justify your choice. That means you have to write A, B, C and you have to justify also. So let me do first bit. I am doing this like a question. 2 into tan square 30 degrees by 1 plus tan square 30 degrees. Okay. So now tan square 30 value you substitute it. So once you substitute it, the value 2, tan 30 is root 3 by 2. Okay, root 3 by 2 whole square, 1 plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, so be careful, these things 1 plus 3 by 4. So cancel 2, it is 3 by 2, 4 1s are 4 plus 3, 7 by 2, which is equal to 3 by 2 into 2 by 7, 2 cancel, 3 upon 7. Okay, so it is completely wrong because 3 by 7 is nowhere anywhere, somewhere we have done a mistake. So tan 30 value, so tan 30 का value शायद गलत होगा, otherwise wherever, because in the answer A sin 60, cos 60, tan 60, sin 30. Okay, so these are the answers, but in this we got 3 by 7. Question is wrong. 2 tan square 30, you are right, thank you. It is not sin square, this is the galat. Very good, Sangeeta, very nice. So tan 30, so either square you have to rub it. I will use this. So then is equal to 3 by root 3 by 2, 2 will get cancelled. So root 3, so this there is no 2. Okay, and then 3 by 4, 7 by 2, even it is 2 root 3 by. So question may be wrong. Okay, question may be wrong. Which is equal to root 3 into 4 upon 7. So 4 root 3 by 7. So question might be wrong. Okay, there is no wrong answer, right? Sin 60 is root 3 by 2, but here 2 is not there, nothing is there. This 7 has come. Okay, so tan 30 value is how much? Let me see. Tan 30 value is 1 upon root 3. Yeah, I have done one more mistake. This is also wrong. It is 1 upon root 3. So what I will do? I will do it again. Say this is how, if you don't memorize the answers, no, if you don't memorize it, you will be doing mistakes like this. So 2 into 1 upon root 3, 1 plus 1 upon root 3 whole square. So 2 upon root 3, 1 plus 1 upon 3, so is equal to 2 upon root 3 into 3 by 4. Okay, so 3 by 2 root 3 into root 3 into root 3, so 2 root 3 by 2 into 3, right? So 3 will get cancelled. It is equal to root 3 by 2. It is equal to sin 60. Option A. Okay, option A is the correct. So these type of problems will come when you don't memorize these angles. Okay, so because a small problem, because we have written wrong on wrong value, so we have taken a lot of time. So that's why memorizing angles, I gave a smile also, right? Sangeeta gave question is wrong, but our value is wrong, question is correct only, right? So this is a second question. 1 minus tan, I will do third bit also. I will do third bit, right? Second question, third bit. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a. Then a is equal to dash. Okay. So sin 0 is, I am going back to table. In the textbook only table is there. I advise all my students to have these values in a small card and keep it in the pocket. As long as you do trigonometry, Tanisha, good morning. As long as you do this trigonometry, keep that values card with you. So sin 2a, right? If you put a is equal to 0, because let us start from the 0. Sin a, if you put 0, then what happened? Sin a 2 into 0, 0 degrees. Then sin 0 degrees is 1, and 2 into 1, so false. So a is not equal to 0. That means first answer is wrong. Let us put 30 degrees. Okay. So 30 degrees, if you put 30 degrees, sin into 60 degrees is equal to 2 into sin 30 degrees. So sin 60 is, let me see the table and write it. Okay, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, and this is 2 into 1 by 2, so false. So a is also not equal to 30 degrees. Okay. So then a is equal to what is the third answer? 45 degrees. 2 into sin 45. Okay. 2 into 45, 90. So sin 90 is 0. Right? Left side is 0. Right side is 2 into sin 45. That is also not possible. So finally you will be getting 60 degrees. Sin 60 degrees. Right? So this is how you have to do it. Now I will go to third question. In third question, very important question. So many times it came in the board examinations, right? Board examination. Tan a plus b is equal to root 3, and tan a minus b is equal to 1 upon root 3. Okay, and he has given so many things here: 0, a plus b less than or equal to 90 degrees, and a is greater than b. This is the condition. So a plus b lies between 0 and 90 degrees. So that is the condition, and a is greater than b. So now here tan of 60 degrees is equal to root 3, and tan of 30 degrees is equal to 1 upon root 3. So by comparing a plus b is equal to 60 degrees and a minus b is equal to 30 degrees. A plus b is equal to 60 degrees, a minus b is equal to 30 degrees. Now simultaneous equations. You solve these two equations, you will be getting a and b values. So if you add these two, a plus b is equal to 60 and a minus b is equal to 30 degrees. If you add it, 2a is equal to 90 and a is equal to 45 degrees. Therefore, b is equal to 15 degrees. Okay, 45 plus 15. Therefore, a is equal to 45 degrees and b is equal to 15 degrees. So a is greater than b, and everything lies satisfying our condition. Very, very important question, and easy question also. So here also you have to remember these values. If you don't remember those values, everything will go wrong. So ultimately, very important thing is you have to memorize these values. Okay. So now this is end of this exercise 8.2. So I will close at this point. See you in my next class tomorrow. Happy Dasara one more time. Second day of Dasara, right?